Wrapper Z577. It's a reliable piece of agricultural machinery, but like any machine, it can face certain operational problems. Such problems include the rise in oil temperature in the hydraulic system. In this video, we will show you how to diagnose and solve this problem, step by step. Let's start with diagnosing the problem and the potential consequences of neglecting repairs. Overheating hydraulic oil can cause interruptions in operation and potentially damage the machine. It is important to quickly identify the cause and take appropriate steps. Before we dive into discussing the specific causes, it's worth mentioning some operational tips that can help keep the machine in top condition. Don't mix different types of oils. This can negatively affect their viscosity and the operation of the system. Keep the oil clean and avoid contamination, both mechanical and chemical. Contaminated oil causes faster wear to hydraulic components such as valves and seals, which can lead to them failing or jamming. As a result of increased oil temperature, accelerated wear of rubber seal elements, accelerated oil degradation, unstable operation of the wrapper due to a drop in oil viscosity may occur. That is why it is so important to quickly identify the problem and take corrective action. Let's now move on to a detailed discussion of the specific causes and how to resolve them. The first possibility is an insufficient amount of oil in the tractor's hydraulic system. To solve this problem, check the oil level using the dipstick or dipstick. If there's too little, top up the oil according to the manufacturer's recommendations. The second problem could be an excessively high flow rate set on the tractor's valve. To improve the system's performance, make sure the settings are correct. In this case, it's important to reduce the flow rate and adjust the oil flow according to the recommendations for the Z577 wrapper. Another possible cause could be excessively high supply pressure in the hydraulic system. Before you start making adjustments, make sure you know the pressure parameters recommended by the manufacturer. Reduce the pressure using the tractor's manual to avoid performance issues with the hydraulic system. Another common cause of problems is being overworked or not replaced for a long time. Hydraulic oil. Such oil loses its viscosity, which means it loses its lubricating and cooling properties, leading to overheating of the system. To solve this problem, drain the used oil from the hydraulic system and refill it with fresh oil that meets the manufacturer's recommendations. Remember to regularly change the oil according to the operational recommendations. The last potential cause is an incorrect connection of the hydraulic power plugs, their contamination, or incomplete insertion, which means the plug's mushroom isn't pressed in and oil isn't flowing. Check the connection and condition of the plugs. Make sure the plug is pushed all the way in so that the mushroom is pressed and allows the oil to flow. If necessary, clean the plugs or replace them with new ones. You can also connect the drain plug to any drain in the tractor's hydraulic system. Solving the problem of overheating hydraulic oil doesn't have to be difficult. Remember to carry out regular maintenance on the machine and tractor to ensure their long and reliable operation. Thank you for watching our instructional video, and we wish you productive work. If you have any questions, drop us a line in the comments section. We're here to help you.